Wow! This is nice. Oh my goodness. My client is such a goofy one. Hi guys, welcome to another beauty tutorial with me. I'll be taking you through the process of glamming my beautiful clients for a pre-wedding shoot. So I did the screen prep off camera. I started with foundation, then I went to blush to the points that are needed for blush. I went in with another, I think the Eye Magic lip palette. I was not satisfied with that one. It didn't pop so much, so I went in with this one just to add more color to her face. She's just a very funny person. Then concealing with Avara concealer. Can't remember the shade I used here. Then you blend. After placing your highlights in the proper places, blend. Excuse me. Hmm, my client to hi. Make sure you blend in properly, and if you want more the under eye to pop, if you want to go more lighter, you use a lighter shade. I think I went in with another highlighter, with another concealer rather. So you blend. Keep on blending. Okay, so after blending, I went in with setting powder to set every place that we've concealed. My client is just so funny. Okay, so I went in with the powder for all over the face. I used the V-Beauty powder palette for this step. Then now we are baking. Don't know why I didn't structure the nose well. I think I was rushing here at this point because she was late for appointment already. Starting the eyeshadow with Made the Browns eyeshadow palette for transition color, and a main eyelid color. And I went in with pigments, I think pigments twice, and yeah, that was it. And I smoked it out a bit. Just watch through and you enjoy. Thank you. So I did the eyebrows off camera. Now I'm with the on the lips. I used the pencil from Mesmetics. Is it Mesmetics? No, Omari Code. Not mine then. That was so pro lipstick. And I used my hand to blend it out. I went in with another pink color just to give it more color. And lastly, lip gloss on the mouth. I went in with powder to dust off excess setting and blend the whole face together again. Yes, I can agree with you. Our client is the talking one. Yeah. But I enjoyed our session together. Just giving the eyeshadow a little bit of definition with powder. Then I went in with um, blush, powder blush. And I smoked the under eye a little bit. And lastly, I added cheek glaze from Mesmetics, and I also did some spraying, but I'm not sure I added the clips to this video. This is a reaction from earlier in the beginning of this video. uh, Thank you for sitting pretty. I added clips from our pre-wedding shoot to the end because she didn't dress up at the studio with us. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family. And we are available for bookings. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye.